What's going on? What are you holding in your hand?
Oh, this is a diagram of brain because nowadays we are studying about the structure of brain. This is my assignment.
Oh, we are also studying about this topic, but our teachers didn't give us that type of assignment.
Oh, then how do you understand difficult terms?
Our teachers gives us lecture.
Are you using any other source to get information?
Which type of sources?
Like other books, diagrams, internet?
No, we just get lectures by our teachers.
Oh, means that you are using traditional means of education.
What do you mean by traditional means of education? Are there any modern means of education?
Yes, there are.
Oh, can you please tell me the difference between them?
Modern teaching entails the use of LCD, projector in classroom, modification, gamification, which makes learning more effective and interesting for students.
Oh, you are very right. But what's about the traditional means of education?
Traditional means of education are not so effective. People use them because they can't afford the expensive equipments that are required for the modern one.
Oh, you are very right. I think so. I also use modern means of education to enhance my concept.
No doubt, modern means of education are important, but traditional means have their own value, used both for improvement.
But I have a confusion. You are saying that traditional means of education are not so effective, aren't they?
I think modern means are more effective, but traditional means have their own value. We can't deny the importance of teachers and their lectures. Both have their own advantages.
Which type of teaching do you prefer, and what do you suggest for me?
I suggest you to get benefit from both ways. Develop your concern in your teacher's lecture and also use modern means to develop your concepts.
Thank you for giving me your suggestion. I hope your suggestion will be useful for me. Thank you for giving me your precious time. Wish you a very best of luck for your assignment.
Thank you